Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a super fun summer look. I don't really know where exactly this look is going to go. I kind of have an idea and I'm going to kind of just roll with it and hopefully it turns out for the best. Okay, we are going to start with the complexion first today. I'm going to start off by using my NYX Angel Veil Skin Perfecting Primer. I'm running out of this. For foundation day, because I'm wanting to keep it really kind of light and fun, I'm going to be going in with my CoverGirl Outlast Active foundation. This is some to my back of my hand, just like a little bit. It's a little bit runny, but not like too runny. I'm going to take my sponge and whatever I have left on the back of my hand. I'm just going to buff over the foundation. Next, I'm going to move on to concealer, and I'm going to use this concealer from e.l.f. This is their Hydrating Camo Concealer. This is a satin finish concealer. Fit to under each eye because it's very full coverage. This is in the color Fair Warm, if you were wondering. I like how that just really brightens up the eyes. It's got good coverage to it. And then I'm just going to apply a little bit down the center of my face, not tons, but I definitely want to brighten up the center of the face a little bit more. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply just some to the back of my hand like this, and I'm going to take a really small detail brush, like the smallest brush you can find. I'm just going to take a little bit off the back of my hand, and I'm just going to like pinpoint little areas that I need maybe more coverage, and then I'm just going to use my finger to blend that out. Since we are a concealer, I am going to go ahead and conceal my eyelids with my e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. The reason why I don't use this one for my under eye area because this dries out to a powder matte finish, and that's just a little too drying for my under eyes. So I like that they came out with the hydrating version of this, but it's great for prepping the eyelids for eyeshadow. I'm going to cream bronze. I'm going to take the Physicians Formula Sculpting Bronzer. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply this right where I'm going to blend it out. I'm going to take my sponge and kind of blend that out a little bit. See this area right here? I don't know if you guys can tell, but this area is like isn't as bright anymore. It's kind of lost its so I'm gonna go back in with a little bit concealer just to see if we can brighten this area up a little bit. It's like that almost that the bronzer kind of took off my foundation. Ugh. See, I told you guys I didn't know where this makeup look was gonna go, but now it's going down a different hole though. I'm gonna take a little bit of the Baked Milani brush in Dolce Pink. Kind of using more like patting motions just because we haven't powdered anything. Oh yeah. This makeup look is not going good, guys. I don't know. I had an idea in my head and it's not playing out. You know what we're going to do? We're just going to move on to the eyes, and hopefully everything will look better after we do the eyes, because right now everything is looking, well, I look like a clown right now. Using the Ultimate Shadow Palette from NYX, and this is in Brights. So it's just a really colorful palette. It's just got lots of fun colors. So this is, I may dip into something else, but I think for the most part I'm going to stay in with this palette. Yes. I'm going to start with a fluffy brush, and I'm going to go into this lilac shade right here. And I'm just going to keep this up in our, like, where we would apply the transition shade. I'm just buffing that back and forth in windshield wiper motions, just really getting good color payoff from that. I want it to be wearable, but we still want it to be bright and fun, because remember, I'm trying to create a fun summer look. Trying being the word. Okay, so you can see that it's colorful and fun, but it's not like harsh. So I want this to be wearable. I'm gonna go into this deeper purple right here. It's flat, but it's still fluffy, if that makes any sense. And what I'm gonna do with this is I'm just gonna apply this to the outer crease. I'm just gonna keep blending that in. And this is just gonna kind of intensify that purple a little bit. So we have intensified the purple. Now I'm gonna move on to something really fun. I'm hoping it will turn out. A precise little pencil. You can even, if you want, you can use just like a pencil brush like this. I'm gonna go into this yellow shade right here. And this is gonna act as an eyeliner. So basically a neon, it's not really neon, but like a yellow eyeliner. So if you have yellow eyeliner and you want to skip the step, then fix it. I just don't have a yellow eyeliner, so I'm just gonna use what I have, right? Morphe setting spray, and I'm gonna spray my brush to get it wet. If you don't have setting spray, you can just use water. I'm gonna dip it into the yellow, just get it nice and saturated. And then I'm gonna pull up my mirror really close up here in the middle of my eye. Just start creating small strokes and build it up to be eyeliner. And actually, I think I am going to go in with more of a pencil brush. I don't know, this is taking forever. And if you want, you can even just get some yellow on the brush and then spray it. This is taking forever. You can totally still, if you have this palette, you can totally achieve what you're gonna do with that palette. It's just taking a long time. So I'm gonna take my Jaclyn Hill palette and use the yellow that's in here. Okay, one thing that I am noticing is that I am getting some fallout. So apply just a little bit of powder underneath my eyes to catch any of that fallout. You can see what it kind of looks like. Man, this is taking forever though. I'm going to take the Stila glitter eyeshadow in Diamond Dust, and this is a liquid eyeshadow, and I'm just going to apply some to the lids, and then I'm just going to use my finger to blend that out. We have a really fun soft lavender glitter eye with a yellow eyeliner. My L'Oreal Unlimited mascara. Alright, so I finished off my eyes. I added a little bit more of the yellow eyeshadow after I applied my mascara. And I have to say, I really do like the eye look. I like how simple and fresh and fun it is. My face makeup, we won't even discuss it. Never been like the hugest fan of that foundation, and I don't know if it's the foundation mixed with the primer and the concealer, or if it's just the foundation, or if it's just the concealer, but it is coming off my nose, so we might just have a great eyeshadow day, but not a great face makeup day. Which sometimes that happens and you just gotta live with it. I am quickly going to do my eyebrows really quick, and then we'll do the lips. Eyebrows are done, and now we're gonna move on to lips. I'm first gonna take some petroleum jelly, Vaseline. You can even do chapstick if you want, but then I'm gonna take a Q-tip and just go over that and kind of exfoliate the lips. I've been doing this recently, and it really does a great job of exfoliating my lips right before I go in with something on my lips. Kind of a fun lip, nothing too crazy and wild, because we kind of want the eyes to be kind of the focus. The eyes aren't like too crazy. It's really light and simple. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with Pink Petal from the L'Oreal Age Perfect lipsticks. I don't think I'm going to do a lip liner. So let's see how this looks. Oh, that's way too bright for this look. You know, with everything not working out in this video, I could just like totally just trash this video and start over. But I think it's good for all of us to see that sometimes makeup days don't actually turn out the way we want to, but it's okay. And I think I fixed it for the most part. My foundation and face makeup is going to be off before the end of the day. I just know it, just because, like, yeah, my nose, more has come off since I showed you last, and I haven't even touched my nose. I haven't even bothered with it, and it's just separating and not going great. I don't know. I'm gonna try a couple lipsticks and you guys tell me which one you like better with the eye look. I don't know if you guys can even see the eye look, so I'm gonna try to get up closer. So you can see that the eyes are just really light, but it does have fun little pops there for you with the glitter and the yellow eyeliner. So we have this lip color, and I'm not like, it doesn't look totally bad with it, but I do think that I could maybe try something else. This Guava Plump from L'Oreal. This is just a very sheer light of color. It's a plumping lipstick, and so it's going to help your lips look big and full, and it just makes your lips feel fresh. I definitely think that pink is the way to go for this look. I just think that that pink was just, it's too much. If you guys enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below and let me know which lipstick you liked better, if it was the Guava Plump from L'Oreal's Plump and Shine line, or if it was the, now I can't even find the one that I showed you guys earlier. Here, Pink Petal from the Age Perfect line. Which one did you like better? This video didn't turn out the way I wanted it to. We still created a really fun summer eye look, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload new videos. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Good thumbnail.
So I said, faces for the...
Well, I thought you meant more as in like if I was trying to make bloopers.
You are a blooper with the yourself.
Hey.
So mine. Bloop. Bloop.
Ow, I just pinched my finger skin as I was trying to squeeze the tube. I don't know. This part of your eye, this is the lid. I don't know what this part is called. This area right here. I don't really know what I'm doing.